Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius people, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? Three of Pentacles. Justice card. Okay. So Sagittarius, I feel that with this card, Three of Pentacles, that you are taking some guidance from somebody. Okay, there is a discussion going on at your end. Okay, you must be talking to your family, you must be talking to your friends, you must be taking guidance from your mentor, your managers, or something like that. Okay, it seems like you want to take a certain action towards something, and this is the reason you are taking a lot of guidance from the people. Or it could also happen that for some of you Sagittarius, that you are being somebody who is not happy with your with your partner right now, and you must be taking some counseling sessions with your partner through a counselor. Okay, or you must be talking about your relationship with the other person. Okay, you must be taking guidance from your family. Okay, you must be talking about your relationship problem with your loved ones or with your friends. Okay, so this is your current energy, Sagittarius. On the other hand, we have Justice card. With this card, it seems like your person is going through some tough time, I would say, or some legal conditions. Okay, it seems like they are going through some divorce proceedings. It could happen that this person must be in a divorce proceeding with you. Okay, are you guys taking divorce? Or are you guys just you are just going to separate? Is it happening with you, Sagittarius? I don't know, but something is there. Your person is taking some legal action towards something. It could be with you, it could be their current partner with whom they are dealing right now. It could be related to their business or career. Okay, they must be taking some legal advices from their lawyers as well regarding to their business. So some legal activity is happening at their end. Okay, I'm not saying that they are taking legal action towards you, but it could also happen that they must be taking legal action towards you. Okay, I don't know, I'm just saying what my card is saying to me. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Inner voice. Okay, okay. Sagittarius, it seems like it's you who is listening to your inner voice. Okay, perhaps this person is, as I told you, that perhaps this person is taking legal action towards you, but at this point of time you are just listening to your heart, what your heart is asking you to do. Okay, that's why perhaps you are husband and wife, and both of you are going to take a step towards a legal separation or some divorce thing. Okay, but I think that at this point of time you are trying to save your marriage, you are trying to save your relationship. Okay, at any cost. This is the reason you are taking a lot of counselings. Okay, or it could also happen that your person I don't know, I mean, what I'm trying to say is that something is there at your end. You know that what is happening with me, what is going on with me, or it could also happen that you are thinking that it's okay, if this relationship ends then I'll be happy. Okay, your inner voice is asking you to take a step towards this relationship. Okay, so this could also be the reason for this card. Okay, and whatever the case it is, it seems like you are taking direct download from divine. okay, and you are being somebody who is protected by divine. So whatever the case or whatever the decisions you are going to take in future with regards to this person, with regards to this relationship, you need to be rest assured that you are protected by divine and universe. Okay, universe is protecting you. And whatever the decisions you are going to take, whether you are going to be with this person or not going to be with this person, so in either ways you are going to enjoy the best life of your, okay, you are going to enjoy the best time of your life. Okay, you will feel more peace, you will feel more creative, you will feel more love. Okay, now let's see what your person thinks about you. What are their current action towards you, and what action they would like to take towards you in future. Laziness. Oh my god, oh my god, it seems like your person does not want to leave you. It could happen, I mean, it could happen for some of you Sagittarius. Okay, so your person must be thinking about you, that you are being somebody who has achieved something in life and now you are enjoying your time. And from their perspective, you are being somebody who is being very, very lazy. Okay, pardon me for saying this, but yes, for them you are somebody who is completely a lazy person. Okay, you are not sensing the urgency of this moment. Okay, the floor just behind your foot is going to smash. This floor is breaking. Okay, but you need to be rest assured because divine is with you. Okay, and if you take some action towards your life, and I mean, I'm talking from your partner's perspective, so they know that you have that potential in you, they know that you have that caliber in you. The moment you will stand up for yourself, the moment you'll start working towards your own growth and your own expansion, you are definitely going to touch the sky, and sky is the limit for you. Okay, the bird is flying just above in the sky. It means that you are divinely protected, but you need to do some action. It's not that you are not going to do something. Okay, you have to do something. Okay, or else you will be shattered, because the floor on which you are sitting right now is going to break. Okay, those you feel that they are your support, they are your strength, they are your pillars, they are definitely going to ditch you in future. Okay, the current action from their side towards you is that they are feeling loved. I mean, whenever they feel that they feel that, oh my god, this is a soulmate connection. I don't know why my Sagittarius is being angry on me, why they want to why they don't want to be with me. Okay, they feel that this is a divine connection. Can you see this heart and these stars? It means that it is a divine connection. They have this feeling that you are their soulmate, and they also feel that this relationship of your and them are protected by the divine, or divine has given you this relationship. All right, in future I feel that they are going to take action towards you. Okay, and they'll be more cheerful, they'll be more playful in future. Okay, they won't be talking about all the misery whatever had happened with you and them in past. Okay, they won't be able to, they won't talk about that bad face. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, and I feel that with this playfulness card, they are definitely going to be more creative towards you. Okay, they'll be starting taking this relationship very lightly, they'll be starting taking relationship very lightly, in the sense they won't create a fuss about anything. Okay, so they'll be going to enjoy each and every day of this relationship with you. All right, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. Okay, in the near future, yes, they are coming towards you. All you need to do is just be receptive, accept whatever is coming into your life. Just listen to your inner voice, what your heart is saying to you, just follow that. All right, just follow your heart. If your heart is saying that you should be with this person, then please do that. Okay, So Sagittarius, with this Three of Pentacles card, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have Libra in this reading with this Justice card. Some of you could be dealing with the water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Laziness card, and some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Playfulness card. Alright, okay. So Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.